Have you ever looked at a dead wall clock and thought, I guess it's time to buy new batteries again? What if I told you there's a way to keep this clock running using just one tiny LED from a scrap TV backlight? It sounds impossible, but by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it works. Before we get started, let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing viewers from all around the world, and I read as many comments as I can. Now grab your soldering iron, because today we're turning electronic waste into something surprisingly useful. Let's get started. Here's an old TV backlight strip that came from a broken television. Most people throw these away without realizing they're full of useful parts. First, inspect the strip carefully and find an LED that still looks undamaged. Once you've chosen a good one, use a pair of scissors to carefully cut out just that single LED section. Take your time here. A clean cut makes the next steps much easier. It may not look like much right now, but this tiny LED is the secret behind today's project. Stay with me. The interesting part is coming next. Now grab the LED you just removed. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently scrape away the insulation from the positive side until the metal contact is exposed. Next, repeat the same process on the negative side. Be careful not to damage the LED while removing the coating. Once both terminals are exposed, apply a small amount of solder to each contact. This step makes soldering the wires much easier and gives you a stronger electrical connection. At this point, the LED is fully prepared. Now let's make sure it actually works before installing it. Grab a fully charged 4.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Briefly connect the battery to the LED. If everything was prepared correctly, the LED should light up instantly. Perfect. That confirms it's working and ready for the final assembly. Now comes the part that makes this project so interesting. Now grab your clock motor. Look closely at the LED and mark the positive and negative sides with a marker, so you can identify them easily later. Next, solder the negative terminal of the LED to the positive terminal of the clock motor. Then, solder a wire to the positive terminal of the LED. After that, solder another wire to the negative terminal of the clock motor. With the wiring complete, reinstall the clock motor into the front housing. Place the back cover on the clock and tighten all the screws with a screwdriver. Now it's time for the final test. Take the 4.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Connect the wire from the positive side of the LED to the positive terminal of the battery. Then connect the wire from the negative side of the clock motor to the negative terminal of the battery. Watch closely. The moment the final connection is made, the clock immediately starts ticking. A tiny LED rescued from a scrap TV backlight is now part of a simple circuit that powers the clock. Instead of throwing electronic waste away, you've given it a completely new purpose. If you enjoyed this DIY project, hit the like button, subscribe for more creative electronics hacks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY adventure.